What is up, everybody? If you have already used your finish line exclusive access points, I'm sorry, man. I should have made this video sooner, but I am here today to tell you guys, do not, I repeat, do not use any points. Do not buy these on release day. Do not cop this sneaker for retail. I'm telling you guys this because, not because the shoe is whack. The shoe is actually pretty dope. I actually really like this shoe. Gives me the Rookie of the Year vibe. Quality looks good. I've seen a lot of reviews. People have them in hand. They got them early. And I actually like the sneaker. But I'm telling you guys this because something fishy is going on right now in the sneaker market. And I just don't know what's going on. But this shoe has been sitting under retail on eBay, StockX, and GOAT for the last 2 weeks. And it doesn't drop until this Saturday, January 13th. For $180, and I've seen this shoe in my size 11.5 to 12, for as low as $120. Shipped to you guys, $143 shipped on StockX and GOAT, man. I've never seen anything like it. I want to say this is bad times for the sneaker community, but I can't say that because we actually can cop a sneaker. So great times to be a sneaker lover. Great time to cop a sneaker, especially one of this caliber. So before we get off into this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. We're going to talk about a lot of different things today when it comes to these Jordan 1s, yellow Orchre. And yeah, man, let's go ahead and get right off into it. All right, so first off, let's talk about the actual aesthetic, the look of this sneaker. High OG Jordan 1. Really loving the sneaker. I like the colorway. I feel like the quality is actually pretty good on these things. When I think about the quality, I have to kind of compare it to, just to give you guys a reference, the University Blue Jordan 1s and also the Rookie of the Year. But these things really remind me of the Rookie of the Year. The only difference is that yellow is a little bit more vibrant and gold than it is the khaki brown that's on the Rookie of the Year. But all in all, still a dope sneaker. I say this over and over again, buy what you like, but if this shoe would have dropped during the high rise of the Jordan 1s, when everybody wanted Jordan 1s, this will be an automatic sellout. Again, release date is this Saturday, January 13th. Retail will be $180. And yeah, if you want it, buy it. But I'm telling you guys, you're going to be able to get it for the low. Now let's talk about what the low actually is. All right, so as you guys can see, this was on eBay. 10.5, $155, bro. That is what they were going for. That is $30-$40 below retail. Crazy, man. Crazy. Same thing on StockX, as you guys can see right here. So this leads me to think, you know, I'm not a genius or a fortune teller or anything like that, but this leads me to believe that this sneaker will be sitting. The exclusive access and stuff like that, pretty sure it's gonna be plenty available on there. I've talked to some of my guys at Finish Line, and they're saying the same thing. It's not a sneaker that many people are gonna be after, so I do think that this is gonna be about the same thing as the reimagined Jordan 1s. If y'all remember that from last year, the end of last year, the Royal Jordan 1s, I do think it's gonna be the exact same thing. You'll be able to get this shoe with discounts and stuff like that. They probably will hit the outlet. So probably right around $140 you can get this sneaker for at the highest. You feel what I'm saying? I do think that some people might be able to get them for less than that if they got coupons and discounts. And if you are in the grade school sizes, you would definitely be able to cop this sneaker for $100, bruh, or less. You know what I'm saying? And it's not a bad sneaker. So again, congratulations to everybody that actually wants this shoe and that you're going to be able to get it, because it is going to be some heavy hitters, some bangers coming out in 2024. But, you know, why not start off the year saving a little bit of money, you know, and still getting a high quality, decent, good looking shoe, man. So let me know down in the comment section if this is the shoe that you mess with, and if you think this is going to be the norm. I do think this is going to be the norm for 2024. I think that we will get shoes that are going to sit, and the price is going to be extremely low and affordable. So, hey, with the cost of rent, utilities, and everything else going up, why not have it, man? I love it. But hey, I appreciate you guys tuning in. Let me know what you think about this sneaker. And if you are a reseller, man, please do not buy this shoe A lot of them. I'm just saying, you're gonna lose your money. But hey, do what you want to do. I appreciate you guys. And you already know everything we talk about on this channel, these shoes we talk about is just bait. A way for me to share my faith, man. You guys be blessed. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat